Hi, and welcome to the Big 6 Lesson Introduction. I am Nicole Freeman, your school librarian. I am here to help you improve your research skills. The standards that I'll be using for this lesson are the State Standards 27, Research and Synthesizing Information. Students will clarify research questions and evaluate and synthesize collected information. Students are expected to improve the focus of research as a result of consulting expert sources. Example, reference librarians and local experts on the topic. Common Core standards. Use features and search tools to locate information. ISTE standards. Use graphic organizers, brainstorming applications, and other digital tools to gather and organize information. In the 2018 AASL standards, AI formulating questions about personal interests or a curricular topic. What is the Big Six? The Big Six is a six-stage model to help solve problems or make decisions based on available information. I will use it to help you sharpen your information and technology skills. Pre-assessment. You will scan the QR code with your iPads and take the pre-assessment that is connected to this slideshow. Please answer the questions to the best of your ability. How you score will help me see how to help you, see how much to help you, see how much you already know. Now that you have taken the pre-assessment, um, let's just sum up what we've done so far. In the first part of the lesson, you heard a little bit about the Big 6 process and how it will help you with research. Then you participated in an assessment to see just how much you already know. Now we will dig a little deeper into the steps to get a better understanding of them.